In this lesson, we are going to work on how to access to the Google Sheets. Google Sheet access starts with docs.google.com spreadsheets link. If you click that link, it will take you to the Google Sheets main screens. Another way of accessing to the sheets that you own is drive.google.com. That will also show all spreadsheets on your account. When you come to the spreadsheets main page, you have an option on the upper left, the docs, sheets, slides, and forms. These are the different types of services that Google is providing. We are going to stick with Google Sheets. Besides, on the top screen, you see the template gallery. Template gallery is not only this, you have different types of it. When you click the template gallery, you are able to see different types of templates. Some of them are very commonly used, such as monthly budget. It might even be your to-do list, financial statements. These are actually very well prepared, very high quality templates, which I personally use it at my daily life. Besides, on the lower side of the screen, you see the files that you have recently accessed, such as I created this spreadsheet 1 Google Sheet file today, so it's over here. Now, these are some options. It's the pick list giving us some options, the files which might be owned by you or by someone else. And it is showing you when this file was opened at last. At the same time, you are able to see on this link the different types of views. Currently, it's in the list view. If you click that, you are looking at the grid view. At the same time, if you have plenty of files, you are able to sort it by different options, such as last opened, last modified, or by title, or it might even be a shared file that you have access to modify. If you look at the file picker button, that gives you access to all files on your Google Drive. You might have hundreds of spreadsheet files. It will be available over here. Or some of your colleagues have shared with you files. You'll see that here. Or there are some files that are very special for you. You can start them and you are able to view it here. Now the recent files shows you the recently accessed files. And at the same time, one of the best option here is uploading a file from your computer. You can click select file from your device and make your file available on your file options over here.